I should be over all the butterflies I've been into you. And baby, even all the worst nights.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. Today's video, I have a wig that I normally don't wear these type of wigs just because it's not a wig that you can wear every day, but when you're in a rush, okay, this is, I think, one of the easiest wigs, but if you don't do it right, it can be a wig that can cause damage. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I put this wig on. It is a U part, V part, whatever you want to call it. It is a wig that you're going to have some of your leave out only in the middle. You don't need any leave out on the side. I'll show you my side now. I just did my baby hairs that I normally do on the sides of my units. Where I wear like closures or the glueless wigs, I always have like my baby hairs out on the side. So you do not need any leave out on the sides, just in the middle, and you guys are going to see that I have the tiniest bit of leave out. So like I said, it is a U part, V part. It is a chestnut brown ombre unit from UNICE Hair Company. And before I forget to mention, this is a yaki texture and it's 24 inches. And the density, I believe it's like 150% density. It's very natural looking. If you want to be extra, you can get some wefts and just like either glue them in or sew them in yourself to make it thicker if you want. If that's what you want. But I feel like this is a very natural looking, convenient, manageable wig. I love UNICE. Okay, I have tons of wigs from UNICE and I really enjoy it. I hardly ever get a wig that's with them. They are pretty much, you know, you know what you're gonna get with them, and you know that the wig is going to last. So with that being said, I'm going to show you the construction of this wig if it's not already showing a clip to the side, or maybe I'm going to be to the side talking and the clip of the video is going to be on the main screen. So as you guys can see, it has a lot of clips. I did not take advantage of the clips because I feel like the clips pull tension on your hair and I have fine hair. So those two don't match. So I only ended up using one of the clips on both sides, which are right here, and I feel like maybe I want to unclip them. Okay, but I only use these two clips, and then I definitely use the side combs. I am a fan of combs, okay? So I use the combs, and then this one had an elastic band, which I loved, and then it has like a drawstring where you can tighten it as much as you want to really have this wig snug, and I really like that because with any V-part wig that I have got in the past, never had that. So I really like how they upgraded this unit to include that. Okay, so like I said, this is a chestnut brown ombre color, and it is very light, very subtle, okay? It's nothing that's gonna, okay? No jump scare with this wig. The color is just like slight, okay? And it's almost like if you had dyed your hair like a blonde color and then you went back and put brown on top of it because you was over the blonde, and then over time that color starts to lighten up. That's the color that this is. It's very cute. I really like it because the example I just gave you, baby, that was me, okay? So that's the color of my leave out. So I feel like it blends really nicely with it. So like I said, with these V part, U part wigs, you just have to be very careful because you don't want to put damage on your hair. So I wouldn't suggest wearing this every single day for weeks at a time. But if you're gonna wear it for like a week or so, I feel like you should be good to go. And just in my preference, I wouldn't use all the combs, okay? So if you're like me and you got fine hair, use one or two of the clips and take full advantage of the combs that are in this unit and the elastic band and the drawstring. So with that being said, I'm just gonna stop talking here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all of that, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you, and baby, even all the worst nights, I'm into you, baby. And